everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nate.
And I'm Abe.
And we wanted to explain why it's empty right here. So 2 weeks ago in our last video, we went down and we let the puppy choose us. The puppy was only 4 weeks old, right? Mm-hmm. So now they are 6 weeks old, and we will be bringing Puppy home when they turn 8 weeks old. So we have 2 more weeks. But while you're waiting and while we're waiting, why don't you enjoy some of these pictures that our breeder has been amazing, sending us lots of photos, watching all of the puppies grow up. So enjoy some fun photos.
Bye.
And then that one, this one's gonna have some company here. So we'll see how Bella Louise, okay, we'll see how Bella does with the new puppy. All right, everybody.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe for lots of soon-to-be puppy content. Bye, everyone.